We can use dot product to calculate the angle between two lines. For example, find the acute angle between the lines, r equals I plus 3j plus 2k plus lambda times 4i minus 2j plus k, and r equals 3i plus 8j plus 7k plus mu times 2i minus 3j minus k. The angle between two lines is the angle between the two direction vectors. Let A equal the first direction vector, 4i minus 2j plus k. Let B equal the second direction vector, 2i minus 3j minus k. A's magnitude is root 4 squared plus 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is root 21. B's magnitude is root 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 1 squared, which is root 14. A dot B is 4 times 2 plus minus 2 times minus 3 plus 1 times minus 1, which is 13. So cosine theta is A dot B over A's magnitude times B's magnitude, which is 13 over root 21 times root 14. Using the calculator, we can find the inverse cosine of this value. It is 40.7 degrees. We can also find the distance from point C to the line r equals A plus TB. Make a perpendicular from C to the line. The foot of perpendicular is P. The distance is the length of CP. For example, find the distance from the point 114 to the line r equals I minus 2j plus k plus t times minus 2i plus j plus 2k. First, let's combine components of the line. R is 1 minus 2ti plus t minus 2j plus 2t plus 1k. Since P is on the line, it is also in this form. Next, let's calculate vector Cp. It is P minus C. P is in the above form, and C is 114. So Cp is 1 minus 2t minus 1i plus t minus 2 minus 1j plus 2t plus 1 minus 4k. It is minus 2ti plus t minus 3j plus 2t minus 3k. Since Cp is perpendicular to the direction vector b, Cp dot b is 0. Cp dot b is minus 2 times minus 2t plus t minus 3 plus 2 times 2t minus 3. It is 90 minus 9, and it is 0. So t is 1. Put t back in vector Cp. It is minus 2i minus 2j minus k. Therefore, the distance from the point to the line is the magnitude of Cp. It is root 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 1 squared, which is 3. In this class, we learned: the angle between two lines is the angle between the two direction vectors, and can be calculated by their dot product. To find the distance from a point C to a line, make a perpendicular from C to the line, and the foot of perpendicular is P. Combine components in the line equation, and P is in this form. Calculate vector Cp, which is P minus C. Use Cp dot b equals 0 to find the variable t. The distance is the magnitude of Cp.